We're putting a phone in the oven! Hey, what's up guys? This is Kent for Talk Android, back again, right on time with another video. And it's an exciting time. The S9 has just come out recently-ish. The rumor mill for the OnePlus 6 is amping up, so there's a lot going on. So I thought, what better way to commemorate all of this than to try and revive a 5-year-old smartphone. Has it been 5 years? What year did the LG G3 come out? Hey Google, when did the LG G3 come out?
The LG G3's release date is May 28, 2014.
Okay, so 4 years. A little less than 4 years. Anyway, whatever. So yeah, this is my old LG G3. A little bit of background here. I got this phone not long after it came out, and it barely lasted a year. Apparently, there was a pretty well-known issue. Basically, the phone would just blue screen. I didn't even know an Android phone could blue screen, especially not in 2015 or 2016, whenever it happened. It started to boot loop, and it would restart itself, and I got it to work for a little bit, but eventually, it just stopped. Complete and total blue screen, and it's still the case now, actually. Let me see if I can get it to come up. This thing is like really finicky. Okay, there it goes. So got to turn on. Nothing but a blue screen. Sometimes it'll actually show the LG logo, and then it'll go to blue screen. But yeah, now it's just showing straight blue screen. Once that happened, I sort of dumped it in a drawer. Kind of forgot about it. Was really upset because I actually have a lot of photos and stuff on this that were not backed up. But every now and again, I would think back to some of the content that I lost on this thing. And then I did some research and saw some forum posts over the last couple of years where people were talking about putting this phone in the oven. Yeah, I wasn't so sure about it either, but then I started reading more and more success stories, and I thought, what have I got to lose? I mean, it's not like I can get to any of the data on this phone anyways. Beyond that, it's pretty much a lost cause, so if it doesn't work, then I'm not really out anything. One thing, just so that we're clear, this isn't a guide or a how-to. I'm not advocating that you try this. Obviously, it's a bit of a risk, so if you try to emulate this technique and you end up screwing up your dearly beloved phone from 2014, then I can't help you, and I'm not responsible for that. I'm sorry. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and let's crack this thing open. So we're not actually going to be putting the entire phone into the oven. That would be supremely dangerous, what with the battery and all that. But we will be taking this apart and actually extracting the motherboard and then putting that into the oven. My understanding from the research that I did was that there's something with the way the motherboard was manufactured where it overheats or some component ends up failing after so long. I'm not really sure I understand it. It doesn't really sound like a lot of other people understand it either. This dimension of hardware knowledge is kind of out of my area of expertise, so maybe some of you out there who know more about it can shed some light on that. But let's just see what happens. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open. How do I take this apart? All right, so here we are. I've got my LG G3. What the fuck is this? Got my LG G3 here. Let's take the battery out. Yeah, I guess let's take this thing apart. Oh, I should probably try to use the right screw. I am a certified professional, but not really. I have no idea what I am doing. Who wants to bet that I'm gonna lose a screw? Oh, you've already lost all your screws, mate. Because you're so weird. You get it. All your bolts gone loose. Oh, shit. Ooh. That was a close one. Alright. Alright, let's see if I can pry this thing open. Ooh. That doesn't sound good. Okay, it just comes apart. Shit. Part of me is afraid to break something, but then again, the very nature of this project is that we're breaking the phone apart. And the phone is already kind of broken. So, oh, there it goes. Just gotta give it a little force. Fuck. Shit. This is oh. Haha, I should probably undo all the screws. Oh, 2. I missed 2. This is bad. Hey, if you have a repair shop, hire me. Come on. This is gonna be the most swear word laden video I think I've ever done. Which is saying something. Mostly expletives. Oh shit, I just scratched that up. Everybody made this process sound so easy. Oh yeah, just take the phone apart. Hey, dope. Alright, so there it is. The motherboard. I'm like really excited. This is kind of fun. Now my understanding is there's like 4 or 5 ribbons on here that I need to pull off, and I think I see them. Oh wow, that's very easy. For some reason I thought that was going to be more difficult. Electronics, how do they work? No one knows. I think that's all of them. Alright, let's see if this thing comes up. Moment of truth. Well, I guess the moment of truth would be actually putting this into the oven. Alright, so we are in the kitchen. Let's get this thing preheated. Now, I have seen a variety of temperatures. I'm going to try 325. The times are pretty consistent though. Everybody was saying that they put it in for like 9 or 10 minutes. So we'll shoot for 9 minutes, see what happens. We just gotta wait for this thing to preheat. Alright, so I just put the phone into the oven. I was recording the entire portion of that. Unfortunately, I was recording this with the Note 8, and yeah, it just decided to stop recording, and then it lost the file that I was recording. So that's cool. So now I've switched over to the ZTE Axon M, but the phone is, or the motherboard rather, is in the oven, set at 325. Here she is. I think I'm gonna check on it in like a few minutes here just to make sure nothing's melting. This is absolute insanity. Like it goes against everything in my body to put this essential piece of a phone into this thing that's 325 degrees. It's just like, I'm kind of nervous. I don't really know why. I guess it just feels so counterintuitive to me. But I'm gonna check in a few minutes just to make sure nothing is like completely melting down. If this works, it is going to be hilarious. I pitched the idea for this video to Jared, and he was supremely confident that I was going to ruin the phone. Tell you what, if this actually works, right, and this video gets like 100 likes, setting the bar, this is kind of high for us. Whatever. If the video gets like 100 likes and this thing actually works, Jared, you have to get me a OnePlus 6. That's the deal. I'm setting it right now. I know you're not here to defend yourself, but look, man, it's your fault. That's how business deals are made these days. So, you know, it's just how it is. Got like 3 minutes left. Just sitting here watching it. I'm ready to like see smoke and this smell, like a really chemically smell, you know? It's probably one of the possibly dumber things, but if it works, like, is it really that dumb? It's an exciting time to be alive. Alright, so it has been about 8 minutes, I guess. I mean, I set a timer. It doesn't feel like it's been 8 minutes. So let's actually take this thing out here. Don't smell anything dire. I guess, oh, it kind of does smell like burning metal. Not really burning, like there's like a scent, you know? Alright, so it's only been a few minutes, but the motherboard here seems to be pretty cool to the touch. It's sort of giving it a 1-over here. I don't see anything that looks melted or severely damaged. So let's reassemble this thing and see what happens. Would it be like against the rules to like put the battery in like the, well, I guess I can't turn it on. Duh. All right, cool. Ooh, That was a close one. Damn it. Did I lose a screw? I guess we'll find out. Next time on Dragon Ball Z. It's just so much anticipation. Fuck, god damn it. It's a family show. Alright, all the screws are back in. Let's put the battery back in. Alright. Whew, moment of truth. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be so disappointed if it doesn't work. Alright, let's see. Okay, so it's showing that it needs to be charged, which is a good sign. Hang on. God damn it. Okay, so that's a good sign because before, didn't matter if I tried to push the power button. If it was dead, it wouldn't say anything. If it had a charge, it would just go to blue screen. I've got hopes, ladies and gentlemen. I have hopes. So you can, I don't know if you can see that in there. Boom. Oh my god, the anticipation is fucking killing me. This is the slowest charger on the fucking earth. Man, what are we gonna do to pass the time? This is absolutely killing me. I can't just sit here and wait. Hey Google, let's play a game.
Which one do you want to try?
Mad Libs.
A part of the body.
Penis.
Say a male person in the room.
Jared Peters.
That Mad Lib was fun. Do you want to play again?
No, thank you.
Alright. Thanks for playing.
Alright, that killed a few minutes, right? Let's see what we got. 2% charge. Let's see if it'll turn on. 3%. It's not telling me to wait anymore. Come on. Boot screen. Now, some people have said that turning it on after you reassemble it usually takes a few minutes for it to boot up. Hopefully that's not the case here. So I don't want to hold the phone like this. Oh. No fucking way. I'm waiting for this to crash horrendously in the process of it booting up. Like, I'm ready for it to, like, start up, get to the home screen, and then as soon as I touch it, it just dies again. That's what I'm expecting. This is so stupid. Can you see this? Look at this shit. No SIM card. Alright, thank you. Oh, come on. No. No shit. This thing is actually working. What the fuck? What? What? I don't know if you can even see that. Let me turn this brightness up. What? Back from the dead. June 12th, 2016 is a date on the clock. Welcome back, my friend. 3 years in cryogenic stasis. And it's back. That is absolutely stupid. Why does that work? That is ridiculous. A treasure trove. Holy shit. I'm gonna have fun going through it. Okay, I need to stop. Forgot I'm even recording a fucking video. Alright. So that worked. Jared, I told you that there was something to it, and that we would make something happen. I can't even put the words together. Like that. Why does that work? Why? There's like, it doesn't. I mean, if it has something to do with like the soldering and reheating the connections, like I guess it sort of makes sense. But like, there's nothing in my brain that says putting that in the oven should make it come back to life. Like I keep having to look at it because I'm like, is this actually a thing? Like, this is actually working. What the hell? Unbelievable. All right. I'm gonna dig through whatever's in this phone. If I find some gems, some entertaining gems, maybe I'll include them in the video. Maybe we'll post them up on the Twitter. I don't know. we'll see. So make sure you're following us on Twitter and you're subscribed to the channel just to stay in the loop on that. Why is this working? This is insane. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna get out of here. Once again, my name is Ken for TalkAndroid.com. And we'll see you next time.
Did you solve one?
Yeah.
What?
I baked a phone.
Huh?
Put a phone in the oven.
Why?
To try and fix it.
Did it work?
Yeah.